Hook in 2026, you can generate a Hollywood-quality video from a single sentence of text. And most people still have no idea these tools are free. If you're not using AI video generators right now, you are falling behind. Let me show you 5 tools that are so good they look fake, and yes, every single one is free to start. Intro. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner right now. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. In the last 12 months, AI video generation went from a joke to something that can fool professional editors. Full motion. Lip-synced talking heads. Text-to-video with cinematic lighting. Tools that take a photo and animate it into a realistic video, all running in your browser. Here's the wild part. You don't need a powerful computer. You don't need editing skills. You don't even need a camera. Everything happens in the cloud. I tested over 20 AI video generators this week. Only 5 delivered results that don't look like garbage. I'm ranking them from decent to mind-blowing. Number 3 genuinely scared me. Tool 5, InVideo AI. The all-in-one workhorse InVideo AI is the most practical tool for most people. Give it a topic, and it generates a complete video, script, voiceover, stock footage, transitions, music in under 2 minutes. The free tier gives you 10 minutes per week. What makes it stand out is the script quality. Its AI writes surprisingly natural dialogue for explainer videos and product demos. The weakness, the stock footage is generic, so videos can look templated. But for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and business presentations, it's incredibly efficient. Tool 4, Pika Art. The creative playground Pika Art is where things get weird in the best way. You upload an image and tell Pika to explode it into dust, morph it into a robot, or have a character walk out of frame. It has Pikaffects, physics-based transformations like squish, inflate, melt, and crumble. Creators use Pika for thumbnails that literally move and transition effects that look like they cost thousands in After Effects. The free tier is generous. The catch: Pika is better at short punchy clips than long narrative, but for attention-grabbing visuals that keep people watching, it's unmatched. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button right now. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first. Tool 3, Runway Gen-3, the professional grade. This is the one that scared me. Runway Gen-3 Alpha is the state-of-the-art for text-to-video. Type a detailed prompt: a woman walking through a neon-lit Tokyo alley at night, rain reflecting off pavement, camera tracking forward, and 15 seconds later, you're watching it. Smooth motion. Cinematic lighting. Believable physics. Runway was used in the Oscar-winning film Everything Everywhere All at Once, and Gen 3 is several generations beyond that. It handles character consistency better than anything else, meaning the same character looks the same across multiple clips. Free tier gives you a handful of generations, but those few clips explain why Hollywood editors are nervous. Tool 2, HeyGen. The AI avatar revolution. HeyGen solves a different problem. Instead of imaginary scenes, it generates a realistic talking human, specifically, you. Record 2 minutes of yourself talking, upload it, and HeyGen creates a digital avatar that looks and sounds exactly like you. Type any script and your avatar delivers it with natural lip sync and gestures. Create videos in 5 languages without speaking them. Produce content while you sleep. Scale your personal brand without picking up a camera. In blind tests, viewers often can't tell which video is real. For creators who want to scale without burning out, HeyGen is revolutionary. Tool 1, Sora, the one that changed everything. And then there's Sora. OpenAI's video model generates up to 60 seconds of video from a text prompt with a coherence level that was science fiction 18 months ago. Characters move naturally. Objects interact with each other. Camera angles, lighting changes, and scene composition all happen automatically with results that look shot by a professional cinematographer. What separates Sora from everything else is its understanding of physics and object permanence. Put a coffee cup on a table and walk away, the cup stays on the table. A car drives behind a building, it comes out the other side. These are basic spatial reasoning tasks that every other AI video model consistently fails at. Sora is not fully public yet, but the samples released so far are so convincing that stock footage companies are already pivoting their business models. The killer feature coming next is story mode, chaining multiple prompts into a coherent narrative with consistent characters. When that drops, it fundamentally changes what it means to be a video creator. OUTRO subscribe now because tomorrow I'm covering a topic AI companies really do not want you to understand, and it affects every single person watching this video. The subscribe button is right there in the corner, tap it. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel grow. Here's the truth. AI video generation in 2026 is at the exact same inflection point that AI image generation hit 2 years ago. The tools are ready. The output is good enough for real work. And the people who learn these tools now, before they become mainstream, are going to have a massive advantage. InVideo for fast production. Pika Art for creative effects. Runway for cinematic quality. HeyGen for scaling your personal brand. And Sora for the future that's already here. Pick one of these tools, start experimenting tonight, and I guarantee you'll be shocked at what you can create. Drop a comment right now and tell me, which of these 5 tools are you going to try first? YouTube's about to recommend another video right now. Watch one more before you go, it helps the algorithm and it helps you learn something new. I'll see you tomorrow.